Hello guys and welcome again in this new video. We forgot something in the authentication part. We just did the authentication using the phone number. So we will continue use build the other thing that we already uh, enabled. It is using email and password. So yeah, in this one we will go to authentication and sign in method here. As you see, we have phone and we have email and password. Well, it's not like mandatory to do it both, but just we will do also email and password. Maybe some of you that need to do email and password authentication system in their applications, or you can use mobile, or you can use both. Also, you can add also later maybe Google and Apple, something like that. So yeah, it's everything possible here. And here where we reached already last time. Just I thought a little about what we will build with this application. So we will build something a little similar, something just small things from Trello application. I think most of you know it. Otherwise, you need to search about it. It's just Trello. This one is Atlassian application for project management mostly. So there is like some small things. It's really amazing, and we'll build some of it like after the authentication. So a user can add boards. Within your boards you can add columns like Kanban table, or yeah, it's Kanban, yeah. So like that you can do like lists for to do tasks doing in test stage, or done tasks as well. And as you see here, there is the last button for to add new list and so on. When you add it, you will confirm or just cancel. There is something also really great within their application is the zoom. So when you click minus, it will make the content of this area smaller. When you click plus, so it will zoom in. I mean zoom in and zoom out. So yeah, there is sidebar. I just continue on designing this part as well, and this part just to build the add new board model. It's still just I've just worked around it around 1 hour or something like that. So I will continue in this design, but at the same time we'll continue building this application as well. Yeah, as you see here, I just added to work with signing with phone number or with email and Google and Apple. So guys, the colors, as you see, maybe those colors exist in Trello already, and what exists here with this for the sidebar menu, we have search. We have also this to show the boards as cards or list later. This for notification. I think about to do something like professional or pro accounts that will can add the boards and tasks within it, and simple users. So simple users, they can like access the list of like boards and those things, but they can't like add things. So like that we will have like two roles, and we will see how to manage roles and role permission and those things. So yeah, let's. I will give you another thing. Is just it can be helpful, but you need like to know how to use it. It's ChatGPT. So like that, you can use this time ChatGPT to build the authentication system using email password with Firebase and Ionic. So let's just say, hey, I want authentication sim using email password, Ionic, and Angular Fire. Let's see what he will say exactly. Install Angular file. Okay, it's installed already. Set up Firebase. Create authentication service. Sign up email and password. And create user with email password and blah blah blah. So we inject this authentication on Angular Fire part. and log out and get current user. Okay, use the authentication service in here. This auth service dot sign up. Okay, login, log out, sign it up. Gotcha. Okay, get current user. So let's, as you see, it will give us also the inputs for HTML, but we don't need it. And yeah, this is the solution for the authentication for the TypeScript part. So let's dive in and create something with, we used PrimeNG last time, I think, as I remember, yeah, or not. No, we didn't. So let's just open Ionic framework and let's go components version 6 for now. Okay, and we need the inputs. I am input, so Ion label. Okay, and within our login page, what we have? We have input for number, and later we have this code input, and we have this thing. And let's say, as the design said, what we'll have, we can do all of that within the same page. Okay, within the same component or page here. So when we click in for number, it will be phone. Okay, so let's put all of that. Here, captcha verify. Okay, so here G, for example, we put that, and we want here G, for example, mode of authentication is equal, for example, telephone, but we haven't mode. So in here, string is equal to telephone. Okay, and what else? This first part for the telephone, and we need another thing. Let's say email. Okay, and under this one we have div dot, for example, let's say dot buttons, and let's use some buttons from Ionic as well. Component buttons, and we have in here block. Last time it was, yeah, it is already talk. Okay. What we and here we have already telephone, so we need another button as well. And here, for example, using email password. Here, for example, using login using Google, and here using Apple, and here login using phone number. But in here, what we have this one. We need to be the mode telephone, so like that. We will show using email password when the mode is not email, and we will show this one when the mode is not telephone. Okay, other things we will do it later maybe. So like that, when we go here, login using email and password, and this one and this one, but we know we want it like to be a little down. So let's say, for example, Okay, let's say bottom 100 pixel, left 14 pixel, and right 14 pixel. Position is absolute. Okay, let's put it there. It's a little rich near to the login page bottom. So let's put it like 140. Okay. When we want when we log in using email password, so it will hide this one and put the other one for the email and password part. For example, 3. Password, and this part we want to add here using phone number. Okay, and here click, so like that we want mode is equal to, and here it will be email, and here it will be telephone. Okay guys, so like that, when you click here, so login using email password, login here using phone number, so here it's already working fine, and under text, it's not under text. Let's say for example plus 974 9999 8888, something like that. Okay, yeah, so let's add some for the HTML part, and what we need in here, yes, directly put like that, and type here is telephone, but here is email, and here password, position second, phone number, but this one it will be email, and here password, Nanji model, password, email that it's not exist yet, example at mail.com, and we don't need this step in for now, and we don't need this one as well, but in here we need. Okay, so for number with code, let's put as well password string, but it's empty, and here we can use reaction forms as well, so it's well, I prefer mostly using reaction forms. It makes things more easier for sure, but this one is just quick thing, and it's fine if we do that. And I hope in the future we will work more about Angular, Ionic, and those things, so we'll learn a lot together. Okay, so in here, yeah, this one is changed. Sorry, we don't need it, but let's put it there. Send OTP, verify code. So here, let's go back to the ChatGPT and see what he said exactly. So we'll inject our Angular file path within our application, this constructor, so Angular auth, this one, and yeah, so without using service is more better, but let's just okay, let's do it with services to be more better. Ionic service, and we put it already shared service. This one shared slash services slash auth service, for example. So in this case, we don't need this auth here. It will be in the service itself. It's created. So here we have sign up, email and password, email and address, or sign, create user here. Okay, here, so like that we made mistake. So guys, using email, we need to check if we want to do sign in or sign up. Yeah, so like that, what I will do exactly. So I will use something like here, for example, switcher. For example, this one will go down. And now something like sign in or sign up. So here when the user wants sign in or sign up, so he will switch between those things. This one we can use segment here in Ionic. Is something here, this ones. We can use this thing, so like that we can show or hide our sign up or sign in forms within our login page. And like that we can do sign up or sign in. Otherwise, the other way is like to check if the user exists. So we do login, otherwise we create new user. But this way, okay, this way, well, it be not better. Just create sign up and sign in forms, both of them. So like that we will decrease the request to the backend or to Firebase. So I think the video is a little long, but it's okay, we can continue. IL segment here, we use this one, and we go to mode email. Okay, this already sign in dot let's say email mode, for example, and this one don't exist. For example, let's say sign in, and okay, we have another Jeep, and this one sign up. So like that we copy this one and put it here, create user, using email password, and we need to add this one here as well. String is equal to sign in. Okay, let's go back to the segment. Segment, the default is sign in. Sign in. So in here, sign in. Second one, sign up. Sign in, sign up. So okay, I want when it's changed, so like that is equal to, let's say, test, and here we want to let's cancel this email mode. Okay, if you want here, I think the change not working here, it should be and change. Yeah, but it's not looking fine. Sign up. Yeah. So we need to do like model is equal to email mode. As you say, sign up, sign in, sign up, sign in. So, okay. Here work fine. Phone number like that, and email we have sign in and we have sign up. Okay, so we need also to add buttons for that. So like that. Okay, so let's go here. I am button here. What we have here. Okay, create user, and for this one is login. So in here, let's say here click. And this one we want sign up. Okay, so the test we want to delete it. Okay, let's put it in after ng on init sign up login. Okay, so here what we will do, let's go back to the chat GPT, and as you see, sign up using email password, return this Angular file auth, create user with email and password. So this one. Second thing is login, email password as well, sign in with email and password. Logout is this Angular file authentication to sign out, and we can get our current user. Okay, so let's copy these 2 or 3 methods first. Or logout, we don't need it here. Okay, let's get it here in the authentication service as well, so like that we can use it later without any problem. Okay, sign-ups, login, logout, and so on. And later in here we have already email and we have password. So sign up this auth service, we inject the auth service as well, and dot sign up or dot sign in, and this one we don't need it in this part. So let's just inject our auth service first. in our, let's save this service, and here in the login page we go to the constructor and put here and put from, as you see, source app shared service dot auth dot service. This is the first one. Sign up. It's like that, and we have also the sign in, or sign in login. We put it within here. This dot email and this dot password, but it's already exists here, and save. Let's go back to our authentication. So now we will find identifier, providers, sign in, and so on. Okay, so now we will find email here as well. Sign in here, and we have sign in, sign up. Okay, let's sign up first, and I have this email and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, create user. Okay, there is an error. Project. The given sign-in provider is disabled for this project, but we already. Oh yeah, I changed last time the Firebase project, as I remember. So let's get this one back and go back to the environment. As I remember, I changed it. So this one is use Salih Service App 2023, and we want this one instead. And I want to change it here as well. Okay, so let's go back here. Okay. Let's sign in, for example, and see what will happen. This is the email. Say there is no user record. That's correct. Create user. Sign it up. We go back here, and we got authentication, and let's see. So as you see, email amm.salhi@gmail.com. This 6 May 2023 created successfully. So yeah, let's go back here, sign in and log in. Log it in fine, and let's also add something here in the login when it's logged in. So let's put this one here, and so let's go back here, return or this dot auth state. Okay, it's fine. Let's put it here. Const x is equal to this one, and this one is not known, so we grab it from here. Just for test for this one, to see the data of the user. Okay, and what else? Yeah, console.log user logged in and x here. So like that. We put it from 1 to 8, the password of the email. So this is the email, and this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, I think. So like that, logged in, observable. So observable, this is observable. We need to dot subscribe. Yes. So we don't need x. Now we directly put it like that. Console.log our response. Okay, so login using email password, and here, and 1 2 3 4 6 7 8. Logged in, and this is the user. So when we put the authenticated delegate multi-factor UID, yeah, you see this is the ID of the user, KK2 in the end. Let's go back here, and we will find with this email KK2 in the end. So this is our connected user for now. Yeah, so I know that this look is a little bit strange. So next episode we will make it more look like that a little bit at least, and the inputs will make it look more better, and those things for sure it will be more better. So we will work a little bit also next video on the design of those pages and make it look more better. Yes, login. Yeah, normally this login pay button or sign up button, put it in this login button here in the bottom, and we will work a little bit in the design of this area as well. So see you next video. Bye bye.